Hi beauties, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to do a fill on this gorgeous set of nails. We're going to start by removing her nail design, which is super cute. And unfortunately, we have to take it off, but these are her natural nails, guys. Could you believe that? We're using our ceramic coarse cone bit, which comes in your electric file kit. Yes, that's right. It comes with this and other drill bits. I absolutely love this because it doesn't heat up, and as you can see, that little blue thing is for a reason. It kind of attracts and lets the dust retain in a certain, like just in a certain area, and the ceramic helps it not heat up so much. But I still always check her nail from time to time, touching the surface, making sure I'm not burning her. And I also love removing her lifted area, but as you can see, I'm just doing it very lightly. I'm going to show you guys what I do in a little bit. And this is a safety bit, so it allows you to go through the cuticle area very gently without having to risk the cutting your client. And I'm so excited to show you guys. So this is me removing any lifted areas with another safety bit as well. This is also one of our coarse drill bits, but it's our gold barrel that's kind of more on the thicker side. A little bit of what has been lifted like so. Just be very careful in this area. Don't make, don't stay there too long because you can hurt her or make her feel the heat and create heat, which is no fun. And if you guys are not following us on TikTok and Instagram, hit the follow button. We post daily content there, short form content, so many tips and tricks and nail designs. After that, we went ahead and pushed her cuticles back, making sure there's space for her fill and just removing any dead skin on her nail bed. Very carefully doing this. All of this is sped up, so do this very gently, guys. The softer and gentler you are, the more safe your client will feel with you. Now, using our electric file at a speed of 4, we're going to go in with our sanding band at a fine grit. I love using this at a slow speed because that way I don't hurt her. We're just removing and etching any dead tissue and just blending everything with a natural nail. I'm also etching the whole entire nail. Personally, I prefer it that way. It just makes everything more even and nice, and I feel like the acrylic would adhere a little bit better as well. So once this step, we didn't go any shorter or anything like that. She wanted to keep the length, but I like it because it's gonna look super cute. And these are actually her baby shower design nails. And we are just cleansing the nail with any cleanser, going downward with your manicure brush because you don't want to go upward towards the cuticle. You do not want to put anything or any dust inside there. We're applying dehydrator and primer. I do 2 coats of primer, one like right away, and then I start one hand before I apply the acrylic. I primer again, and then I go in with the next hand once I start doing the next hand. That's just personal preference. We're going in with our clear acrylic using our number 16 acrylic Kolinsky brush, guys. I love this brush. I think I need to replace mine because it's been overly used, but I still love it. It works perfectly fine. And we're just building our nail like I'm doing here very nicely. I'm going to show you guys here how I grab the bead and just go on towards the cuticle, push it towards the cuticle, and then downward towards the free edge, fading down, blending everything in. And then I also add a little bit more on the apex area to strengthen the nail because it did grow out. So we want to make sure they're strong and not break easily. This prevents it from that. Like I said, these are her natural nails. So technically it is an overlay, but you also want to build a nice, strong nail because they are long. So you don't want to have a thin nail and then have it break. And I'm always cleaning my brush in between beads. Guys, this keeps your brush nice and perfect. Now I went ahead and with our 80-100 square file, we're going in and filing the sidewalls. I love filing the sidewalls before anything. Personal preference, again, you can do whatever you want, but I always make sure they're dry at 100%. And I'm always grabbing their skin before anything. That way I'm not hurting them at all. And filing anything underneath if need be. and then just strengthen them out like so. All of our products you guys can purchase at artistrynails.net. Everything will be linked below, guys. Definitely check out our website, and I promise you guys will love everything. Going in with our carbide fine. You can also use a medium one. I personally prefer either or, with safety all the time. And just go in from zone 1, 2, and 3, and then I always go underneath the nail to make sure the thickness is pretty good and the smile line is amazing. The C-curve correction. And we're just touching the surface like I do so right there with my thumb all the time to make sure they're smooth. Now going in with the fine sanding band, we're removing any ridges the carbide drill bit has left. You can also do this with a file, but I personally feel like this is faster. And we're using it at a speed of maybe like 7. For the carbide, I always do like 18 to 20. There we have it. I did file the free edge after that and then smoothed out the bottom part just to make it a little bit more soft and not so harsh. We're using any nude of choice for the base of our French tip, and every coat we are carrying in our LED light for 30 seconds. Hi, I'm Myra Vargas, creator and owner of Artistry Nails. Are you interested in becoming a nail technician but don't know where to start? Well, this is your opportunity to learn from me and my 15 years of experience in the nail industry. My beginner's acrylic nails course is a perfect start for you. In this program, I will be sharing the basics of acrylic nails, schooling, and everything in between on how to become a successful nail tech. I'm excited to offer you all my knowledge in this program that's perfectly designed to help you get started with your nail career. Make sure to purchase your program today. This program is available in both English and Spanish. Again, thank you. I'm Myra Vargas. I'm excited to be a part of your growth as a nail technician. Now we are going to make it a little bit more on the pink side, adding a pink translucent polish, and she just loves the pink look, so we're going to go ahead and add this after our coat of nude. We did the nude base to cover any imperfections because the pink translucent will definitely show through. We're using our number 20 pink, using our marble palette to put the color in. We are using this color as our base for our chrome, and she is having a girl. She did have a girl, so that's why it is pink. And using our liner brush, the longest one, we are going to go ahead and do our smile line first. And for those of you who think that French tip is easy, it is not. It is definitely very time and tedious, time consuming, and like you see, you can do it so many different ways. I've tried a lot of ways. Whatever works for you is best. It doesn't necessarily have to be a specific way. For the most part, I like to do it this way, and then or I also do halfway of the nail and then remove it with our French manicure brush. It all depends, like so, what you're looking for and how well it works for you. And then of course, this is just a first layer, so we will be doing 2 layers. This is another method, doing this way and then cleaning up with our manicure brush, which I think I ended up doing that instead, just because I felt like it was easier, less of a hassle. And then if I need to do anything as far as like making it a little deeper, I go ahead and do that as well. And you'll see right there, if I want it more on the deeper side, I go ahead and add it. But I feel like it is much easier that way. Use the striper brush to perfect it. And if you want to cure every individual nail, by any means, go ahead and do so, just because French tip, again, it is a lot of work and you do not want to mess them up in between Frenchies or fingers. Now we're gonna go ahead and add chrome, unichrome powder only on the tip. Usually what I do is mat this whole thing up and then add chrome top coat on the tips, but I just figured I'd do this way. It was gonna do it anyways, and she liked the little glitter effect. She didn't really mind it. If you want it more on the mirror look, you can do that, just to give it a more on the emphasized mirror chrome look. And I do have videos on that. I actually have a video coming up on that as well. So definitely stay tuned for those. And now we're using our crystals. She wanted a little bling on them. Very simple and subtle. We're using our gem gel with our little portable light to flash cure it. It's not curing 100%, but we will put this in our LED light afterwards so it can cure 100%. And I like using gel because if I don't like the design, I always can take it off right away. Like right here, I believe we tried this and she didn't really care for it. So then we removed it and did another one. Like I'm gonna show you, like, so pretty much just remove it because it's not cured. If you cure it, that is a little bit harder. So don't cure if you're not satisfied with the look. And then we're gonna go ahead and apply top coat, guys, and we are done after this. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. Again, if you guys wanna start your journey in your nails, want to become a nail technician, or just as a hobby, definitely check out our online nail course. Everything will be described below. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel or send to anybody that will enjoy our videos. Once again, we added cuticle oil and took pictures of her beautiful design. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Till next time.